Hey guys, Rick for Sonance here, back in our video. So lately there's a trend going on in the EDM scene of covering all songs into the style of Slap House. Like for example these tracks.
Hear me tonight.
And then there's another trend in this trend of covering songs of X in the style of Slap House, like these tracks.
You decide if you're
So in today's video we're gonna make our own Slap House song with the vocals of X. So let's get started. So let's search for an X a cappella. Let's check out the first one. Yeah, that's gonna be the one. Now let's check the key and BPM. It's an A minor at 146 BPM. So first let's set a tempo to 126 BPM. Besides that, we're gonna fit the vocal to the tempo. We pitched down the formant to give it more of a deep house vibe. So other presets we'll be using in this video are coming from the pack Lit Sounds Volume 1. It's literally all you need to make Slap House. It got all the essential bass sounds you need to make this style. So if you want to make music in this style, it's a must to check it out. It's linked down below. We'll be using this preset for the Reese bass. So now let's write the chord progression. Sounding like this. To fill up the break some more, we're gonna look for those typical hip hop loops. Exactly like this one. So fit it to the tempo and put it in the right key. We're only gonna use the first part of the loop. And the track sounding like this. Now let's add some more ambient sounds. Like this one. Only lower down the volume just a little bit. Now we're gonna add a sound on top of the Reese bass. Sounding like this. Paste in the chords and dive into the mix down. We dropped a few risers and snares in the build up, sounding like this. Now let's make a bass of the track. We'll be using a sub, mid, high and perk layer for the bass. We'll be starting off with a mid bass. We'll be using a short for the bass sound. For the bass melody, we copy it over the chords. We're gonna add a rhythm to it. Sounding like this. Now let's mix it in. Now let's add a high bass. Sounding like this. Now it's time to add a perk layer. Just make sure it has a really short envelope. Then push it to the sides and cut out the lows. Now let's mix all the basses together on the bass channel. Now let's dive into the 808. Make sure it has a short envelope as well, sounding like this. So now let's mix it. Now let's make it more interesting. Record the bass sounds in Edison. And hit reverse. This will add a lot of energy to the bass sound. Besides that, we added some pitch automation. We use this kick for the drums. Besides that, we added this drum loop. The only thing that's left to make is the typical brass step. We'll be using this sound, so let's make a melody with it. Sounding like this. So now we only need to add these sounds of the break to the drop. And that's it. The final result will sound like this. So if you like the video, please leave a like. And to see more, hit the subscribe button. And I'll see y'all in the next videos.
Okay, she be gone, now it's